Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your payment method on your Clickbank account. Now what you want to do, once you're inside the Clickbank, guys, all you have to do is just click on the account section on the left hand side and you will see the nicknames, right? So how you are able to add those payment methods is basically you need to choose a nickname that's going to take you onto the whole affiliate marketing account, where you can go and you can track your earnings and you can add payment methods and you can do all of those good stuff here. So this is like overall scope of how you manage those Clickbank accounts, create accounts, manage users and so forth. But to get in those individual, let's say, niche accounts, or let's say those individual accounts, you need to create nicknames, because those nicknames are, let's say, the usernames that you'll be used to have an affiliate link with those specific usernames and so forth, right? So like mini accounts, you just want to go ahead and choose that account. So let's say I want to click this Drew test here. I click on it and then you will see that it opens up a new section of Clickbank. And if you've used Clickbank in the past, this is basically the one that you're used to, how Clickbank looked back in the days and so forth. So you'll manage everything from here. So once you're here, it's going to say welcome, and you will see here as well on the upper side of your screen that it will say welcome, and it shows that nickname, right? So basically this is going to be your username or that nickname with that specific, or let's say the unique ID for your affiliate account. Right, so what you want to do from now to add those payment methods is just simply click on your account settings, and from here, once you are under the account settings, you need to scroll down and you will find the payment information. If you look towards the right hand side, it says edit, so you can click on that, and from here you can choose the threshold. So that could be $10, $25, all the way up to a million, right? So by default it is set to $100, so you can leave it as that, or if you want to put it at 50, 25, it's really up to you. You can choose to get a check, and you want to ensure that your address is correct, right, before you click and save. Or you can get a direct deposit, and from here you want to enter your bank country, so you want to select the country for your bank. So that's important for you to basically select. So select your country, and you want to type in the bank city, fill in the bank name, and enter the IBAN Swift code or whatever, right? Checking or saving. So you'll be able to enter all of these details here and then click and save. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and add your payment method on your Clickbank account, guys. Very easy and very simple.